Hey guys, welcome to my channel Install Web Mania. Today I will show you how to install Tailwind version 4, Tailwind CS version 4 and DaisyUI 5. So let's dive into it. So first of all, we need to go to the React router site, and after going this we need to find the older version, because we will get all the commands from here. So I will copy this one, and I will open my terminal, and we need to, let's make it bigger. We need to add the project name, React Tailwind. Okay, so the package name will be Tailwind. We need to go to this React Tailwind folder, and I will open this inside with my ID. So I make it this side by side. Okay, so I will run all these commands here. Okay, the command ran successfully. Then we need to copy this one and run this command also. Okay, now we need to go to the Tailwind CSS official page. Then we will go to the docs, and also we will run this code here. Okay, paste. After this we need to configure the byteconfig.js file. Here we can find the js file. So we need to add this line, copy, paste, and also we need to add this line after the react. Okay, done. Now if you want to add DaisyUI 5, so you need to go to the daisyui.com, and you can see DaisyUI 5 will be available in 33 days. Try it now. So we will add the beta version right now, and we need to copy this one, copy and paste. After this you can see add DaisyUI to your CSS file. So we need to add this one because we already have added to our app.css. Now we don't have added this one, so we need to copy the both of this, and we will add this on our app.css and also in this our index.css file. After this we will run npm run dev. By clicking this one we can see this is running. So we need to add some daisy UI component, and we need to check the tailwind is running good or not. So if we add a h1 tag here, h1 install webmania, or it's showing. If I add class name, text gray green, okay, the text color is changing. So the tailwind is successfully added. Now I will add a component. I'm going to create a hero section. I will just copy this. If I add this one, or okay, let's see. Okay, you can see it's running good. Thanks for watching my video. Let's go.